Fifth step is weeding. What in be weed? Undesirable or unwanted plants in the crop field are called weeds. The removal of weeds is called weeding. Farmers adopt many ways to remove weeds and control their growth. Some of the weed control methods are mechanical methods, tillage methods, crop rotation, summer tillage, biological weed control, chemical methods, and integrated weed management. Mechanical method is the most common method in which weeds are destroyed physically. Hand pulling or weeding with the help of weeding hoe is the oldest and most efficient method for controlling weeds. Tillage is one of the practical methods of destroying weeds of all categories. Weeds are buried in the soil and also exposed to sun heat by deep ploughing. Crop rotation is another one kind of weed controlling method. In this method, proper rotation of crops is followed for controlling crop associated and parasitic weeds. Summer tillage. Deep ploughing after harvest of rabi crop and exposing underground parts of weeds to strong sunlight during summer months is useful for destroying many annual and perennial weeds. What in by annual and perennial weeds? Annual for plants which live only 1 year. Perennial live for many years. Biological weed control. In this method, bioagents like insects and pathogens are used to control weeds. What in by pathogens? Disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Yes. The objectives of biological control are not eradication but reduction and regulation of the weed population. Next method is chemical method. Chemical methods are very effective in certain cases and have great scope in weed control. The chemicals used for killing the weeds or inhibiting their growth are called herbicides. These chemicals are mixed with water and sprayed over the crops. Another one method of weed control is integrated weed management. Integrated weed management combines different agronomic practices. Agronomic means agricultural practices and herbicides used to manage weeds so that the reliance on any one weed control technique is reduced. Mechanical, biological, cultural and chemical methods are included in integrated weed managements. Sixth step is harvesting of crops. The process of cutting and gathering a crop is called harvesting. Different methods are used for harvesting. They are manual harvesting, mechanical method and machine harvesting. Manual harvesting is the major method of harvesting in India. Certain crops are harvested without using tools. Crops like groundnut, green gram and black gram can be harvested by uprooting with hand, provided soil moisture is adequate for hand pulling. Mechanical method. Harvesting in our country is generally done by employing the laborers with the help of farm instruments like sickle. This method is a laborious and time consuming one and it is suitable for small sized farms only. Machine harvesting method is used in large sized agricultural field. The term harvesting also includes the immediate post-harvest practices such as threshing and winnowing. What is threshing? The process of separating the grains from their chops or pods is threshing. After threshing, we must separate the grains from the chops. Winnowing is the process of separating the grains. Last one is storage of food grains. Storage is an important aspect of post-harvest technology because the crop is seasonally produced but consumed throughout the year. Therefore, it should be maintained by proper storage. Before storing, harvested grains should be made free from moisture. Any moisture in the stored grains will lead to a growth of microorganisms. So, they need to be dried in the sun before storing. Food grains are collected in gunny bags and then stored in godowns. Silos and grains are used for storage of grains on large scale. Chemical vapors are sprayed to minimize pests and insects in godowns. This is called fumigation. Then the stored grains are inspected from time to time to make sure that they are free from diseases and pests. In our country, grains are stored on a large scale in government owned godowns. The different categories of agricultural produce needing storage are food grains, oil seeds, seeds and fodder. These are all about basic practices of crop production. Thank you, students.